Have you ever wondered how much time is actually left to achieve your financial freedom? What if I told you that, with the right strategies, it's possible to retire in just 10 years? In this video, you will discover a direct and aggressive plan to accelerate your financial independence, even starting from scratch. If you're between 25 and 40 years old, ambitious, and tired of the traditional work routine, this content is for you. Here, there's no guesswork. We'll outline a roadmap with clear goals, explain how to invest strategically in stocks, REITs, and ETFs, and show you how to optimize every penny of your contributions and reinvestments. If you're looking for clarity, direction, and want real results in the short-medium term, watch until the end, because what you'll learn today could redefine your financial life. If you're starting 2025 with the goal of retiring in just 10 years, there is a plan. And in this video, I will show you exactly how it works. Now, imagine this. A decade from today, you wake up without an alarm clock, without a boss, with the time and money to live at your own pace. Does that sound impossible? It's not. And it all starts with aggressive financial planning, clear goals, and a well-executed strategy. Today, you'll discover a practical roadmap, which assets to use, like stocks, REITs, and ETFs, how to make your contributions grow, and how to reinvest intelligently. If you're between 25 and 40 years old, ambitious, and want to escape the rat race, this video is for you. But it only makes sense if you watch until the end, because each part of this plan fits together like a puzzle, and missing a step could compromise everything. Many people think it's too late to start. That financial freedom is only for those who began at 18 or for those earning above average. That's a myth. What you need is consistency, discipline, and a smart plan. Starting in 2025 at 28, 34, or even 40 years old is still more than possible. Let's talk numbers. If you invest $500 per month with an average return of 12% per year, after 10 years you'll have accumulated around $94,000. If you reinvest the earnings, that number could exceed $120,000. With the right assets invested strategically, it's possible to generate passive income that covers your living expenses. The difference between those who get there and those who don't lies in goal clarity and practical execution. Now, let's move to the plan. Step 1. Build your base. This starts with your emergency fund. Don't invest everything without security. Save 3 to 6 months of your fixed expenses in a safe and liquid investment. This protects you against unforeseen events and ensures emotional stability to invest long-term. Next, eliminate high-interest debt. Credit card and overdraft debts are like leaks in a boat. It's no use rowing if you're sinking. And finally, define your number. How much do you need to accumulate to live off your income? If your monthly expenses are $1,000, you need to generate that with a sustainable withdrawal rate. At 6% per year, this results in a target net worth of about $200,000. With clarity on this number, everything else falls into place. Step 2. Smart monthly contributions. This is the fuel of your plan. The more you can contribute, the faster you'll reach your goal. Ideally, you should allocate between 25% and 40% of your monthly income to investments. If that seems distant now, don't worry. What matters is starting, and over time, finding ways to optimize your budget or increase your income. Cut invisible expenses. Automate your contributions as soon as your salary hits your account. Use a spreadsheet or app to track your investments. Practical example, contributing $500 per month at a 12% annual rate. In 10 years, you'll accumulate over $120,000 with reinvestment. And if you manage to contribute $750, that number will exceed $180,000. The key is consistency. Missing 1 month can cost thousands in the future. Step 3. Choosing the right assets. Let's break it down into 3 main classes. Stocks, which offer growth and dividends. The focus should be on solid, profitable companies with a history of cash generation and consistent dividend payments. Sectors like energy, banking, sanitation, and digital retail are good starting points. Then we have real estate investment, funds, REITs, which are excellent for generating passive income early on, with returns ranging from 0.6% to 1% per month. Lastly, ETFs, They offer diversified exposure to domestic and international markets with low costs and strong long-term performance. A suggested portfolio composition could be 50% stocks, ETFs, 30% REITs, and 20% liquid fixed income. This balance provides growth, stability, and liquidity. And once a year, rebalance your portfolio. Sell what has appreciated too much, buy what has lagged behind, and stay firm with your strategy. Now that you understand the structure of the plan, let's look at the projections. Practical simulations help turn theory into reality. Let's say you start with $0 but can contribute $500 monthly in a disciplined manner. Keeping an average of 12% per year, after 10 years you'll have approximately $120,000. If your contributions are $750, this could exceed $180,000. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't lies in consistency. Additionally, by reinvesting dividends and rental income from REITs, you are creating an accelerating cycle of wealth. When this passive income starts to approach your monthly costs, you'll be closer to independence. But not everything is smooth sailing. Every long-term plan involves risks and course adjustments, and this is where many fail. The market will drop, negative news will surface, and you'll be tempted to stop investing. But true financial freedom is earned by those who understand that volatility is part of the game. The secret is to follow the plan even on tough days. If at some point you can't contribute the ideal amount, reduce it, but don't stop. Review your portfolio quarterly, adjust what's necessary, but never completely abandon your strategy. Remember, the biggest risk is doing nothing and relying on the social security system or a retirement that never comes. Now that you've seen all the steps, you can see there is a clear path. You know how to build your base, how to contribute intelligently, and how to choose the right assets. More importantly, you've understood that with focus and consistency, it's possible to achieve financial freedom in just 10 years, even starting in 2025. So what are you waiting for? Start building your plan today. Grab a pen and paper or open your spreadsheet and define your goal, your contribution, and your allocation. If this video made sense to you, subscribe to the channel now, leave a like, and share it with someone who also wants to escape the rat race. In the next video, I will show you how to diversify between domestic and international assets, even with little money. This will elevate your strategy to the next level. See you there.